sola lama-twins bakithi aze ngibona abantu abadla imali kanjena bakithi ingqondo nje ayisebenzi isidalo kubona bobabili ngathi iyasenza kancane ithembi kodwa naye futhi ukhontrolwa-ke uDulasi njengoba-ke ezoboleka uDulasi imali yokuthi-ke azolobola. Ngapha-ke umfowabo wenza uduty kuphela guys, uspend imali like nobody's business but-ke ngeke bayiwine kabili lotho-ke. Silinde nje ukuthi baphelwe kona konke lokhu abakwenzayo bengakhe nendlu lekade bazoyakha-ke ekhaya. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what going to happen on Amalanga, our fun from the 26th to the 30th of May 2025 on Monday. Sabelo and Tembe try again to get Tsunami's attention. Gumede fears that fake Gogo Gumede is becoming a liability. Mangubane and Oli convinced her to join their plan on Tuesday. Dulas accept Tembe's lobola loan. Zandile crosses the line and Gumede rein her in. Mangubane's plan to retrieve the millions is set in motion on Wednesday. Kayise gives Sabelo and Tembe the news they have been yearning for, just as Sugar Basin pays a high price for being their #1 supporter. Zandile sparks Ntombi's fears when she makes a terrifying discovery in her school bag, and the star is a fish out of water in the big city on Thursday. Star receives an unfriendly welcome to the city of Durban, while Sipho and Anele uncover Gogo Gumede's secret hidden under the bed on Friday. Zandile flees the fire only to land in a frying pan. Sabelo is forced to confront the consequences of his shattered reality, while Star finds herself stranded in an unfamiliar territory. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.